Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about object-oriented programming courses Unit 1 arrays, and later we will see about one-dimensional array also. So array is nothing but a collection of similar data type. For example, I want to save 10 students age. So instead of giving int a equal to age, first person age, int b equal to second person age, int c equal to third person age. Instead of that, if I want to save same type of data, then I can use with data type array. So array is used to store the similar type of elements which that will have a continuous memory allocation. So for example, for in case of 10 data, it is okay we will give 10 variable names. For example, if I want to give thousands of variable to save in a particular location, is it possible for me to create 1,000 variable name? No, right? So at the time we can give at the time we can use array concepts. So that will be helpful. With a single name, by using the index value we can access the variable. So consider this example. So at array it have a length of 10, and it starts index value is starts from 0 and it is ends at 9. If we want to change the starting value of index, that also can be assigned while we are doing the index evaluation, index allocation process. So if I want to access the fourth position data, so I can access that particular data alone. And if you want to continuously access all the data also, that can be done. So this is the advantage. And advantage is like we can use code optimization, and we can also access the random variables in the array. And for disadvantages, we have only limited size. It cannot be grown while we are executing the process. Initial stage itself we have to limit the data. If you are giving, for example, int array equal to 10 size, if you are trying to save the 11th element, it is not possible because we didn't allocate a memory of it. If suppose I am giving 10 size but I am storing 8 data into it, it is possible, but 2 memory spaces are wasted. So this is also a constraint. This is also in case of array declaration. And we have two types of array in Java. One is single dimensional and multi-dimensional. In this video we are going to see about single dimensional array. So this is an single dimensional array syntax to declare. So first is we are declaring an array in Java. One is data type and array size and that is square brackets and array variable name. Or we have three types in it may be used in any of the type. So these are the three syntax possibly to create a single dimensional array. So data type, a space and size and array name, or data type, array name and size. So this is what a single dimensional array syntax. And for instantiation, we may have we can use the keyword new. For example, array reference variable, that variable name equal to new data type of size. So this is on instantiations format, and we will see in simple program now. So the first program is nothing but this first program. Okay, this first program is nothing but just we are declaring this first program is just we are declaring an instantiation and initializing the variables individually and then printing. And the same next program is used to declare instantiation and initialization is done in a single line, and we are printing the variables. So first we will see about first program. So as usual, class and main function. Inside that I'm doing declaration and instantiation in a single line. So I have a int data type and mentioning the variable name along with the size equal to new keyword and int and size. So this is a syntax for declaration and instantiation in a single line. Okay, and for next is I'm assigning for 0th position, first position, second position, and fourth position with the respective values I'm assigning. That is, I'm initializing the values. After initializing the values by using for loop, I'm just printing the values which is stored inside the variables. For example, if suppose I want to print 10 third positions, just I can give a of third 2 in order to print it. So that particular value will be printed in your printout statement. So randomly we can access, continuously we can also access the data. So this is what first program is. And the same thing for printf, next program is also will be done. And for second program, so initialization, declaration, and instantiation is done in the same single line. So int a of and values are assigned directly to the variable name. So after declaration and initialization and instantiations, I am printing the values, and this is what the output of both the programs are. In next video, we will see about a multi-dimensional array.